Munini wa musumbi munguthule Kuma utongoini Rigathi Gachagua kwa ivinda yingi niwakwata Ukuno itina wa asili atatu makoani ala mekwithukiisya ikoani ya kungu'thulwa kwake kuleana na ukulyo wake wa kwenda mevetange ikoanini kwa kila ukuwetaa ta ukwona atetkwata kumanwa na unyanya wo na amwe matongo ya nene silikalini ikaloki cha asili atatu makoani yuki kwatiwa kwambisya kwithukiisya ikoani ya Gachagua kwi wakili wa chuma twendete na valambiki ya Gachagua utaisa kusinda ukulyo ona umwe uthakitie mbe wa kikaloki na vala wendeka atunge ikoani Kotini kethi wandani wani asili atatu kuema kuivetanga Benjamin mwaka nukuelesyo.
Ni Ukuno savali na ivinda yingi kwa Munini wa president na mevetange kila ni mbunge Rigathi Gachagua wala ukulyo wake wa kwenda becha asili atatu ile kwithukiisya ikoani yake ivetange ofisini yuwe kwetheka asili atatu makoani ni malumilelia ni mekwenda ya kwithukiisya ikoani ngina muthia.
We now wish to restate that given the public interest in this matter and the need for expedition coupled with the urge to balance the interests of all parties, we shall also give further directions on the way forward. Consequently, the following orders do hereby issue. 1. The applications for recusals are hereby disallowed. 2. The petitioners are hereby granted leave to file and serve amended petitions, if need be, within 5 days of this order. The respondents likewise are granted leave to file and serve amended responses, if need be, within 5 days of service in B above.
Kwi iyo ngaliko skatani nena lumilelie maina mwiki ono silua majaji atatu rima konanya na unyanya na amwema ene yanda hanene kwani nere na kukilia mokule ulua uyananu na wethianua husilini wo.
And therefore the accusation, and we are saying we were not treated in a temperate and judicious manner. The petitioners and their advocates.
If at this time we have some people who feel very strongly in the camp because they may not get justice before you are told, please walk out. Don't continue to get the case.
So for that reason alone, please accede to recusing yourselves so that another bench may be set up to adjudicate those issues. So I thank you.
Ucho wanengana uthei ikoani kwambia kwithukiwa vala asilia mekwatwa kuika lanthi wa keli ukite muthenya ula Koti ngi kethuesya yigwe muno gukonya utuo na mwelekeo wa kuungamia kwithwa kithitu kwa Munini mwa wa president Professor Kindiki.
In view of the nature of the pending applications for conservatory orders and those seeking to discharge, review and set aside the conservatory orders in cohort 2 petitions, we hereby direct as follows. The applications seeking to discharge, review and set aside the conservatory orders shall be deemed as responses to the applications for conservatory orders.
Yu asili atatu makoani ni manengana mwanangaliko skatani kwikia vilu ya uchuo pala no kwiyo Gachagua kwisila kwa mawakili make unalumilelie no kwikia vilu ingi kukonya wailu wa uthukumwa beji aiweto nyuviwayo uyati ya miao na katiba.
The said applications in one above are hereby fixed for hearing on 29th of October 2024 at 10 a.m. in this court. Leave to appeal is hereby granted.
Vilingo mavo kumava kauntine ya Ilovi nye nita wa Benjamin mwaka.